Cathodic Protection Network is a group of people studying the science of corrosion control. We include followers who watch our web pages and videos, members who contribute intellectual property, engineers who carry out the physical activities and maintenance of cathodic protection systems, and scientists who study corrosion control and guide engineers, technicians, software teams and operatives in their activities. We have 3 web domains. They are linked in this document. Pipeline corrosion-control.net, that I personally code and maintain. Pipeline corrosion-control.co.uk, that I created and sometimes, when I've got time, update. Pipeline corrosion-control.com, that has now been handed over to a webmaster company in India. The websites are internet facilities developing synchronously and forming the centre of scientific understanding that is required to control corrosion for the benefit of humanity. These websites have details of the structure of the human side of Cathodic Protection Network. It is people like you see in these pictures. Cathodic Protection Network is also a physical network of steel pipelines and facilities that is subject to electrical control of the natural tendency of steel to corrode back to its natural state of iron ore. We have gathered as much information about this physical electrically conductive network as possible, but it is far from complete because pipelines and facilities continue to be constructed and altered. The picture above is the circuit diagram that I drew of the pipelines and facilities in the Eastern Division of Shell BP Development Corporation, Nigeria, in 1974-75. However, we are now structured as a blockchain and can coordinate and synchronize the data that we receive from hundreds of survey teams worldwide. This can be seen at this link in this document. The data and observations from these surveys are analysed through the CPN control that remotely adjusts the corrosion control systems as the survey teams progress. Any unusual disturbances in the equilibrium of the energy trigger an alert for the immediate investigation. This provides the ultimate security oversight for pipeline networks. The above world map shows some of the pipelines that CPN has gathered much more information from the public domain and from our own network. Pipelines transport water, oil and gas safely, securely and efficiently from source to end users, enabling communities to function. They are the veins and arteries of the global society that require protection from disease, corrosion and attacks by terrorists. No? We're going to have to make it again.